Thanks for joining Crypto News. Make sure to subscribe for more. Taking a look at CoinMarket cap, the global crypto market cap is $1.50 trillion, a 26.78% decrease over the last 24 hours. 3 up, 3 down. The number one market gainer is Tether USDT with a 0.05% gain, HUSD with a 0.02% gain, and DAI a 0.02% gain. The three market losers over the past 24 hours: Phantom FTM with a 51.65% loss, Kusama number 2, KSM down 51.20%, and number 3 Curve DAO token CRV is down 48.89%. From Crypto Slate, data shows crypto downturn driven by short-term Bitcoin holders, quote, panic selling. Short-term panic sellers appear to tanking the market, but FUD is driving the narrative of worse to come. Into the Block tweeted out, the recent Bitcoin sell-off seems to come from short-term holders selling at a loss as the number of addresses holding Bitcoin for more than 1 year continues to increase, and it's at a high in May. 57.61% of the addresses with a balance in Bitcoin are holding 1+ year. This would suggest that the market downturn is driven mainly by short-term holders who are panic selling to exit their position. They add the latest price drop puts Bitcoin at the precipice of a new, quote, crypto winter. With that in mind, now is the time for extreme caution. From Crypto Potato, despite the SEC lawsuit, Ripple partners with Egypt's national bank. RippleNet will be used for remittance payments between the UAE and Egypt after Ripple and the National Bank of Egypt doubled down on their relationship. Ripple and the NBE have doubled down on their relationship after signing an initial deal in February of 2020. At that time, both parties planned to employ Ripple's network of institutional payment providers called RippleNet to enhance remittance payments. The blockchain-based payment processor announced the latest deal with Egypt's oldest bank on May 19th. It sees the involvement of a third party, the UAE-based financial service provider Lulu International Exchange, which is part of the Lulu Financial Group. NBE's group head for financial institutions and international financial services, Hesham El-Safdi, said, NBE's partnership with Ripple will help to improve overall efficiency by enabling NBE to establish new alliances across wider markets with reduced cost and quicker integration time. We are very excited to announce our new partnership with Ripple and Lulu, which we believe will contribute to a further acceleration of the Egypt-UAE remittances corridor. Although the payment processor continues expanding its services outside of the United States, the company is actually facing a lawsuit within the nation it is based in. The SEC brought charges against Ripple in December of 2020 for conducting an unregistered security offering, and in the span of a week, in April, the court firstly allowed Ripple to receive access to the SEC's internal discussions about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Shortly after, the court sided with the company once more by ordering the commission to withdraw its 6 subpoenas sent to banks requesting personal financial information from firm executives. From AMB Crypto, what's next for XRP's price following these court proceedings? There has been an increase of nearly 50% in the trade volume in the last 24 hours. The altcoin's price is nearly 62% below the all-time high of the $3.84 level, based on data from CoinMarketCap.com. The enforcement action brought by the SEC may have never been intended to protect or negatively impact XRP's price, and XRP traders have responded to this action by consistent demand across spot exchanges, and the market capitalization is currently above $51 billion. The altcoin ranks 7, and there are currently no signs of dropping below the top 10. From Bitcoin.com, Sony files patent for Bitcoin wagering on PlayStation and other consoles. Sony, the electronics giant, has revealed a patent that would introduce Bitcoin wagering in its consumer electronic products and consoles like the PlayStation system. Spectators of a game could wager about what will happen next in an esports competition, and odds would be calculated by a machine algorithm depending on rankings or previous match history. The filing mentions this system might be run in a slew of consumer electronic devices, mentioning Sony's crown jewel, the PlayStation, but it also includes other systems like consoles made by Microsoft and Nintendo, VR-based entertainment systems, and even personal computers. The filing states that wagers may be pecuniary, such as money or Bitcoin, or may be non-pecuniary, like game assets, digital rights, and virtual currency. The filing implies the system would also let users bet in-game currency or assets or even NFTs. However, some caveats apply. It's difficult to ascertain how these wagers would be paid due to the difficulty of determining the real market value of an NFT or a game asset. While the patent received criticism for possibly encouraging gambling in the gaming community, thousands of patents are filed daily and most of them are never implemented, so this could all be speculation. Sony itself introduced the idea of using bananas as controllers in another recent patent disclosed last March. And from Crypto Potato, Justin's son buys $150 million worth of Bitcoin. The founder and CEO of Tron and BitTorrent tweeted out, "I have bought 4,145 Bitcoin with $152,818,183 at average price of $36,868. Make sure to ring that bell, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the other side of the news.